I'm super excited about them. So I got some Subway cookies. Oh, I'm so happy. Double chocolate, macadamia, chocolate chip, cranberry, macadamia, Burger King. So that's what I'm gonna be eating for dinner. Yes, I am. I lost my onion rings. A fish sandwich. Today's my last day of my holiday, my vacation, because I go back to work tomorrow. I am going to make a bulgogi, which the last time I made, the pre-made from Costco. I'm gonna make a bulgogi egg lasagna, but minus the lasagna. I have all my ingredients ready. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's get started. Garlic, green onions, cheese, eggs, the bulgogi, mushrooms, potatoes, tomatoes, and onions over here. I have the lobster bisque in the background here boiling inside the packet. I already had sliced these mushrooms and put them in the freezer, so that's why. Tomatoes. Onions and mushrooms, and then the bulgogi. It's time to crack my eggs. Okay, all right, good. Oh no, I already broke it. Oh God. Okay, let's try to flip it. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's try this flip again. Yeah, woohoo! Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be clean, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!